guys, it's me again, Maria, and I'm back for another PLANTZILLA video. Chinese New Year is just around the corner and we are here to look for those plants that are considered lucky plants according to Feng Shui. And if you believe in luck, prosperity, and abundance, then this video is perfect for you. Just do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. If you are ready, let's begin. So for the very first plant, we call it the jade plant or commonly known as the money plant. Isa siyang type ng evergreen succulent plant na merong makakapal na dahon na tumutubo in pairs along the branches. Kadalasang nakikita natin nakalagay sila sa mga office table. However, if we wish to place it indoor, dapat ilagay sila dun sa southeast area ng bahay, which is believed to be the wealth corner of your home. And it is believed that every new leaf na tumutubo, ini-increase niya yung wealth mo. When you are running a restaurant or any business, it is best to place it beside the door because it will attract customers, which can happily increase the business. But remember not to place a cactus close by the jade plant because it will send out toxic arrows, and it's a bad news for everyone who is trying to create a prosperous home environment. Number 2 is the money tree, or also known as the good luck tree, which is a native in Central and South America. It is best if braided na merong 5 stems, and dapat may 5 leaves then to be considered extremely auspicious because 5 is a lucky number and it means that it symbolizes the 5 elements coming together in harmony. Pero dito sa mga nakikita ko dito, merong 2 lang, hindi sila umaabot ng 5 stems na naka-braid. But that's what I have read according to Feng Shui. Dapat meron talaga siyang 5 stem na naka-braid to be considered extra maswerte. It is also used as a cure in appropriate areas to stimulate the flow of money. So if you wish to put it indoors, then place it on the southeast corner so it can help you increase the flow of cash at home. Number 3 is one of the most common houseplants here. Ito yung AGLAONEMA. So, this AGLAONEMA is believed to bring good luck and fortune. Lahat na yata ng bahay na napuntahan ko, meron nito of different kinds and of different colors pa. There are even AGLAONEMAs that are imported from Thailand. I assume na meron na kayo nito because it can grow in almost anywhere and in different light conditions. They are considered luck-bringing ornamental plants in Asia for centuries and are best air purifier to clean the air that we breathe. They clean out the formaldehyde and benzene gas that we have at home, and that is 2 of the major pollutants indoor. They came from crude oil, gasoline, and even from cigarette smoke. We will move on to the 4th lucky plant according to Feng Shui, and they are the spider plants. So I'm sure you are familiar with these plants because these plants that we are showing today are actually common plants. You do not need to go over the jungle for these plants because almost everywhere nakikita sila. So eto siya, this is the spider plant and is also called as Chlorophytum comosum. It filters carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene, especially when placed near a fireplace or stove. Yung mga gas stove na kadalasang pinaglulutuan ngayon, kapag nilagay itong plant na to, it filters out the air so we can have a cleaner air to breathe. When being placed at the right place, this plant is believed to be a key to good luck and prosperity. So it has the ability to ward off negativity and avoid stress. It is also a symbol of knowledge. So if you have this at home, place it somewhere near the kitchen for good health and good luck. Move on naman tayo sa panglima, which is the Ficus elastica, commonly known as rubber plant. And what I'm showing you is the Ficus elastica variegata. So ito siya, the rubber plant tiniki. Unlike other lucky plants that needs to be placed in a specific area in the house to bring good luck, this rubber plant can be placed anywhere in the house. The round leaves symbolize money in Feng Shui, and it can also bring luck, prosperity, and wealth. They also signify happiness and abundance. kaso medyo mahal nga lang tong rubber plant. But meron po akong nakitang mura dito, merong tag 700 per pot dito sa Altasita. So pwede kayong bumili dito if you wish to get one. But for those of you na meron na, you are so lucky. Alagaan nyo lang pong mabuti, hindi po sila mahirap alagaan as long as napatubo mo na. The sixth one is the ZZ plant. This is also commonly known here in the Philippines as welcome plant. So this one here that I am showing you is a variegated ZZ plant. ZZ stands for Zamioculcas zamiefolia. I just want to know if I read it right. You may comment that down below how to read it properly para malaman nating lahat dito. Thank you so much in advance. It is best to place it near the entrance. It attracts success, prosperity, and good luck inside your home kapag inilagay mo siya sa loob ng bahay. It has also purifying qualities for indoor environment because it removes volatile compound in the air that we breathe. Some researches prove that this isn't poisonous, but being careful just in case of ingestion is always the best at all times. The seventh plant in the list is the golden pothos. It is an excellent indoor plant and also an air purifier. In Feng Shui, it represents Chinese gold bar. It is believed to bring happiness, prosperity, wealth, positive energy, and is also beneficial in all aspects of Feng Shui. This is one of the best plants to energize the house by filtering and increasing oxygen flow, and experts suggest that keeping this remove financial obstacles. It is best to place it in the southeast corner of your home because that is also the direction of planet Venus. And according to Feng Shui, Venus brings wealth. Given the good luck that it can bring and the health benefits that it can provide, golden pothos are actually perfect for beginners because hindi po sila mahirap alagaan and mabilis po silang maparami. What's number 8 on the list is the snake plant, which is also known as mother-in-law's tongue. Meron ding tumatawag nito na St. George sword. A snake plant of different varieties is one of the most common houseplants kasi nakikita sila kung saan-saan dito sa amin. This is considered a good luck plant because of its ability to absorb and clean your home from toxins and poisonous gas. It also releases oxygen at night, so talagang perfect siya as an indoor plant. And one of the sad things here in the province is that their beauty is underrated. Maybe because kahit saan po sila tumutubo and kahit saan makikita sila dito, sobrang bilis po nilang dumami. But if given the right care and talagang paggagandahin siya, sobrang perfect niya indoors. The ninth plant on the list is the lucky bamboo or the Draccaena sanderiana. Lucky bamboos are popular lucky plants sa pangalan pa lang, and they are even more effective when being placed at the southeast corner of your home. Lucky bamboos are believed to give power. Nagdadala din sila ng good luck and fortune. They also can bring good health and peace. So meron siyang principle na nag-a-attract ng auspicious chi energy. Sobrang dali nilang alagaan because they can live without soil, they can tolerate low light, and can easily be grown with just water. Itong nakikita natin dito, 25 pesos po per stalk. So kadalasan nakikita sila sa mga office tables as well. Sa loob ng bahay, they are perfect indoor plants and they can also purify the air that we breathe. So sobrang dami ng mga binibenta ngayon dito, especially malapit na po ang Chinese New Year. So ayan, sobrang dami ng mga lucky bamboos dito and of different prices, of different designs na rin as well. Our 10th plant is the Chinese taro or kilala din siya bilang Alocasia culculata. They commonly grow in Central America but a certain research showed that they originated in China. So kaya Chinese taro yung pangalan niya. Isa din sila sa mga pinaniniwala ang nagdadala ng joy and good luck. And during ancient times, tinatanim po sila around temples. This is how they look like up close. And I didn't see it in Altasita. Meron ako nito but sobrang liit pa. Luckily, I found it within the neighborhood. So ito yung itsura ng Chinese taro kapag sa malapitan. What you're seeing now is our 11th plant. This is the peace lily. However, it is variegated, but even the green one serves the same purpose. So for those of you who do not know, this is considered as the plant of abundance and also it cleans the air contaminants. Peace lilies are top air purifying bedroom plants and they convert negative energy into positive. They can tolerate low light conditions when you place them indoor, but it is best to place them under filtered light. They can also tolerate fluorescent light. The 12th plant on the list is my current favorite, so they are the Hawaiian tea plants. I so love the loud strike of colors, and they are also known here as cordyline plants or kilara ganina diri sa amua. When you roam around our province, makikita mo talaga na there are houses na napapalibutan ng ganito, especially the red ones or the ones that are close to maroon. And yun nga pala, they are believed to ward off evil spirits and other negative energies. So sobrang favorite ko tong type ng plants ngayon, and I love the colors talaga. Our 13th one is the PALMERA tree. However, maliliit pa lang tong napapakita ko ngayon. Apart from aesthetics and freshness, they attract health, wealth, love, pati prosperity into your home. Mas maganda talaga kapag nilalagay sila dito sa entrance ng bahay kagaya nito, but if you prefer to place it indoor, then it can also add peaceful and tropical feel into the room. It attracts good energy and also activates the missing element of Feng Shui within a room. They can remove harmful elements, especially kapag nakakarpet yung bahay mo, and they also clean the air that we breathe. Yung pang 14 natin is the umbrella plant. However, what I'm showing you is a variegated one. I also have this at home, pero green na siya. Pure green na kasi hindi po siya naiinitan. Yung stem po niya is halos mukha ng ficus or parang pwede na siyang gawing bonsai plant. The one that I have at home has a braided stem. So ayan, pwedeng i-braid yung stem niya. And the leaves of this plant capture positive energy. So ayan, itong dahon nito yung nagka-capture daw ng positive energy. And the last one that we have here is the gold dust DRACAENA, also known as the Japanese bamboo. This is a variegated one as well. Pero marami kayong makikitang ganito na green lang siya at meron po siyang mga bunga na green din po. Hindi po sila mahirap alagaan. I just bought mine for 350 pesos and they are believed to bring success and victory at home. I did not see it in Altecita, but during plant hunting, nakita ko lang siya. And I was smitten by the color of the leaves kasi para sa akin, rare siya. Pero hindi naman talaga siya rare. So, get one if you can see one. So yun guys, I'm so happy that I have shared with you those plants that are considered lucky according to Feng Shui. Wala namang mawawala kapag naniwala tayo, but plants really bring good luck at home because of the health benefits that they bring. And a good health is more than wealth, especially nowadays. And even if you crowd yourself with all of the lucky plants in the world, if there is no hard work, then nothing will happen. Let us make a good combination of hard work, prayers, and sama na rin natin itong mga plant na to attract health, wealth, and prosperity that we've always dreamed for our home. So yun guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye!